Hello, tutor mate from the course Phonetics and Phonology. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I really want to show you the three symbols I have chosen for this activity. To start with, I would like to start talking about the symbol, which is the sh, j, and k. So, sh as in cheese, j as in Jude, and k as in car. So, I want to start out with these two symbols. So to begin with, I would like to say that this is an voice sound, meaning that there is no vibration given the vocal cords, and this one is a voiced sound, meaning that there is a vibration on the vocal cords when you pronounce it. So if you pronounce this phonetic symbol, it's going to be sound like sh, sh. So look, for example, the position of the lip, sh, and the tongue raise a little bit up inside, touching the soft palate, sh, and j, as you can see, takes the same position, the same mouth position, the lips around it, sh, but there is a vibration here in the vocal cords, z, j, jin. In here there is no vibration, sh, cheese. Also, I would like to say that these symbols, as I mentioned earlier, have the same mouth position. So these sounds is made up of two parts, or what is also called subconsonant, meaning that there is one sound at the beginning that stops the airflow, and there is another sound at the end. So let's try to practice with this symbol sh, like in cheese, ch, cheese, j, jun, jun. So now let's practice this word in order to analyze the position when we pronounce these symbols. So let's start with the sh sound. Match, 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 no vibration. Catch, catch. Notice the stop consonant. Catch, catch. So my tongue is touching here the the lower teeth with the tip of my tongue when I pronounce the first part, the last part of these words. Such, such, and also my tongue is moving a little bit up. Much. Now let's pronounce the symbol j, that is as I mentioned earlier, it is a voice sound, like in bridge, bridge, bridge. The vibration I feel here. Bridge, judge, ridge, and edge. Now I would like to continue with the K sound, or the K sound is an voice sound, so meaning that it also has two parts to be pronounced, like it also has a stop consonant, meaning that has two sounds to make the sound, one at the beginning and another at the end. The first one is the sound of the airflow, and the second one is the release. So the tongue raises a little bit up, touching the soft palate right here. And notice the two sounds, one at the beginning and the other at the end. So let's focus on these exercises. Watch my mouth as I pronounce this symbol related to this word. Can, come, cause, kit, kit, kit. Now, last but not least, I want to propose some exercises regarding these three symbols. So let's start with the voice sound ch, like in the word turn, chomp, march, champion. Now let's try with this with the voiced sound j. Look at my mouth. Jar, jump, jab, juice. Last but not least, the k sound, like in cry, core, cure, case. And I would like to propose another exercise, reading some sentences to notice the symbol proposed. So let's start with the first one. The man on the bridge is my teacher. The man on the bridge is my teacher. He teaches us to get the best job in the world. He teaches us to get the best job in the world. And finally, he has the key of the car. He has the key of the car. Okay, my friends, that's been all for now. Thanks for watching and bye bye.